Guys, running Kimono here. So this morning I went to the Home Depot and oh my gosh, look what I did. This is 100 rolls of Belladonna toilet paper that I paid, I think like $1.60 for after a gift card. So these are on a clearance. Last week they were 48 cents. This week they are on clearance for 25 cents each. They come in 96 count boxes, and at my store, before I even grabbed more than two, I asked, I said, hey, because this is on clearance, can I get more than two or an entire case? And the employee called the front, they talked to the manager, they're like, grab a case, it's fine. So this is gonna go really quickly because even any way you slice it or dice it, to get this toilet paper for 25 cents, that's a really great price. Made in the USA too, Albuquerque, New Mexico. It's wrapped. Specifically why I wanted this one, that was in case there is another lockdown and a run on toilet paper. I have a lot of family members now covered. It is a lot easier to mail this. Specifically for this deal, what you're gonna have to do is go to the physical store and check. There is no way to check this on an inventory checker. You can always call the store and ask, that's no problem. But if you don't find it, please don't come for me in the comments. With clearance shopping, it is always your mileage may vary. And where I found this deal specifically was from the freebie guy. He has a very good Instagram page and he was posting this yesterday. I thought this would be gone today because there's just no way, but I was able to find a case of 96, and then I got 4 extra to make it 100, and then I used a Fetch Rewards gift card, and that scanned perfectly at checkout, and I think I paid like $1.60 for all of this, for 100 rolls of toilet paper, and a lot of peace of mind now that if somebody needs a roll, I have them covered, and it's a lot easier to just hand over one of these than to mail a 12-pack of Cottonelle, which is a weird shape. It's hard to find a box for it. But this, I mean, you could even throw that in a bubble mailer and you have somebody covered. So anyhow, guys, if you can get out to the Home Depot, the brand is Bella and Belladonna, and look for this. And it comes in a box, so I would just grab a box and then grab a single one and then tell the cashier I have you know, a box of 96 plus this, and use your IBOTTA, Fetch, whatever gift card you might have from whatever app that might have Home Depot, and use that to pay for it so you're feeling it not so much out of pocket. Good luck with this one, guys, and I would move on this one sooner than later because this is a super hot deal. Like, oh my gosh. This just really excites me because this is just like, I mean, this is a vision. This is the golden era of extreme couponing back in 2007, 8, 9, when you could do this sort of thing and have your table full of toilet paper and just be a friggin' boss. So anyhow, guys, good luck with this. Home Depot, quarter each. That is a stock-up price if I've ever heard or seen of one. Guys, I know that not everybody's gonna wanna get 96 rolls of toilet paper. If you just wanted to go and grab 10 or 4 or whatever you wanna do, that's totally cool as well. But if you were gonna grab a case, maybe ask an employee first, just in case your store might have different rules. But if it's on clearance, my store allowed it. So, and I didn't clear the store either. There were still a bunch of cases left, but I did grab one because I had to. And just to go through the math again, because some of you were like, well, how did you do this again? They're a quarter each. So for 100 of them, that's 25 on the nose. With the Fetch Rewards app, you can get a $25 gift card to the Home Depot. So I utilized one of those. And I think my tax altogether was like $1.60. So, I mean, that was just a fabulous deal, and I would have even paid up the $25 for that because I wanted these specific types of toilet paper. I've talked about it before in other prepping videos. Just with everything going on in the world, I thought this would be a really great thing for me to have. So good luck with this one, guys. Just to let you guys know, also, Bath & Body Works, the candles are $11.95. If you might be so lucky to have a 20% off home mailer, yes, that's attaching to it. So it's making the candles really inexpensive, like $9 and some change. Online, I think you can get up to 20, and in-store, I don't know if there's a limit or not. I did speak to one of the clerks this morning, and they said that the sale is continuing right until Sunday. So we were talking about this a couple weeks ago. I know a lot of you love Bath & Body Works, so you might want to check that out. Again, I bought has gift cards to Bath & Body Works. If you might have $20 or $50, this might be your weekend to go and get some really nice candles. As always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.